In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add gift card to Venmo. Quick tutorial. We're going to add your gift card to Venmo the same way you'd add a regular debit or credit card, so you can quickly use it for payments. Before we start, make sure your gift card is network branded, like Visa, MasterCard, American Express, or Discover, and that it has an available balance. Not all prepaid or store-specific gift cards are supported and limits can vary, but if yours has a major card logo, you're usually good to go. Begin by opening your Venmo app and logging into your account. If you haven't updated the app in a while, it's a good idea to do that first to avoid any hiccups. Also, being on a secure internet connection helps keep your information safe while you add your card. From the main screen, tap me at the bottom right to go to your profile. This is where you'll find your account settings and connected payment options. On your profile page, look for the gear icon and tap Settings. Inside Settings, find and tap Payment Methods. This section shows the banks and cards currently linked to your account. Next, tap Add a bank or card. If you're asked to choose, select Card. You can often scan the card with your camera, but typing the details works just as well. Enter the card number exactly as it appears on your gift card. Then add the expiration date and the security code. For most cards, the security code is 3 digits on the back. For some, like certain American Express cards, it may be 4 digits on the front. You'll also be asked for a zip code. Use the billing zip associated with the gift card. For some gift cards, this might be printed on the packaging or instructions. If your gift card hasn't been registered with a zip before, check the issuer's guidance on the card or its website for how to set or confirm one, since Venmo uses that zip to verify the card. Before you finish, take a moment to double-check all entries for typos. When everything looks correct, tap Add. If the card is accepted, it will appear under Payment Methods. If you see an error, it could mean the card details don't match, the balance is too low for a small verification check, or the card type isn't supported. Correct any issues and try again. That's it, you've added your gift card to Venmo. Now when you pay someone, you can choose that card as your funding source at checkout. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get set up quickly and confidently.